Tony Gislaw, Sean Burger, Brandon Miller, Pete Morgan, John Matthew, Marcus Sherlock,
Sean swinging out the gate at 9-8. Tony in second. First lap is 10. Sean 9-5. He's on a mission with that Schumacher. Ironically, they are for a call. Will bucking himself up the second now. He's in third. Sean still looking fast on a PQ pace. CQ is a 35.10. He is on a 31.507. Rolling down those 9-second laps. Real fast lap of the 10-0. Tony, 9-2.
First place, followed by Harris in second place, followed by Tony Gislaw in third place.
Give that Schumacher room. Big brakes, easy.
Good one.
Tony back up to second place. Trying to take away from Sean. Will back up to the front spot. Will, Tony back. 29.501, 29.502. Will to the lead.
Followed by Tony Gislaw in fifth place.
Will on PQ pace. Nope. Sean back up. Something happened here. Nobody can keep pace anymore. Oh, there it is again. Sean back on. Tony in second. Will third. Will, Tony back in fourth on second place. Oh, Tony to the lead now. This is a close one. Tony, Sean, and Will all keep changing positions. Tony will go on a PQ pace or better than PQ. Sean just slightly off Tony's old PQ. Tony now just putting down 9-second laps constantly. Will also.
After 3 minutes, 1 second, the top drivers are Tony Gislaw in first place, followed by Harris in second place, followed by Sean Burger in third place.
Alright, about a minute 30 left. Tony's still on top. Still looking to take down his old PQ. Sean bumping up to second. Go down to third. Get some bad luck here. Tony on his own. That's going to change things. Here comes Sean. I'm pretty sure Tony's PQ will stand after watching this.
Top drivers are Sean Burger in first place, followed by Tony Gislaw in second place, followed by Harris in fifth place.
Alright, 45 seconds left. Sean, Will, Tony, Brad, Marcus, Don, Pete. Nobody close to PQ. Acres over stands. It'll be Tony, Sean, Will, Brad. Seconds left. On your leader, 29.508. For a lap off PQ. Tony back to top. Sean, Will. Doesn't really matter too much.
5, 4, 3, 2. Sean Woodruff.
Tony Dunn, Sean Dunn.
Coherent play.
Why win it out to Sean with 28-1. Way off TQ now. Tony will, Marcus, Brad, Don, and Pete. So Tony will take the TQ for the main. Sean will, Brad, Pete, Don, and Marcus.
That was cool. How did I do? Third, 2.5 seconds. That was a wild race.